Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to enable IMAP on your Zoho mail account. If you want to access your emails on different devices or use them with other apps, this guide will make it easy and straightforward. Let's jump right in and get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho mail account. If you haven't done that yet, open your favorite web browser and go to Zoho Mail's login page. Enter your email and password, and you'll be directed straight to your inbox. Don't worry if you don't land there immediately, it's just a click away. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all settings. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll reach the settings page. This area contains all the behind-the-scenes options that help make your email experience smoother and more personalized. Next, find the Mail Account section, usually located on the left-hand side of the Settings menu. Click there, and you'll see all your mail settings, including how your emails interact with external devices and apps. Now, we're going to focus on the IMAP settings. Scroll through the page until you see an option labeled IMAP. Click on it to open the IMAP settings panel. Here's where the magic happens. Enabling IMAP allows you to connect your Zoho Mail to different mail clients and devices, making it easy to manage your emails across multiple platforms. Inside the IMAP panel, look for an option called Enable IMAP Access with a checkbox next to it. All you need to do is click that checkbox. By enabling this, IMAP will sync your emails across all your devices, which is super handy if you check your mail from multiple gadgets. The final step is to make sure you save your changes. At the bottom of the screen, there's a Save button. Click it to apply everything. If you skip this step, your changes won't take effect, and you'll have to start over. And that's it. You've successfully enabled IMAP on your Zoho Mail account. This simple setup will make managing your emails much easier and more efficient, especially if you use different devices or email clients. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides.